Check out this 2011 Kia Forte X. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front reading lamps, rear head airbag, pass-through rear seat, keyless entry, brake assist, steering wheel audio controls, automatic headlights, and rear bench seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.